Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Jazz on Jazzy the Tech Freak TV. Welcome back to another video. In today's video I have got the HP laptop. Yes, the HP laptop. This one's special because it's integrated with Google services. So it's a Chromebook. Don't know if you guys are familiar. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this, and then I'll show you the screen. I'll power it up, and then in the next video we will actually do a full review. So let's get started. I've actually already peeled the top off, so I've opened up the top. So let's get this down. Don't know if you guys can see the box. Okay, it's quite thin. Talking about the packaging, so it's quite simple. If you look around it, so at the front there's only one HP logo. On the side you got your information. On the bottom there's nothing there. At the back you got your battery care, information for packaging, your hazard information. On that side you've just got some more information there. Let's just have a quick read. So it's a HP Chromebook, as I said guys, HP Chromebook, AMD A49120C APU. It's a 32 gig eMMC, 4 gig on board DDR RAM, 4 SD RAM, Google Chrome OS. So I'm excited about that guys. And it's a 35 to 56 centimeter 14.0 inch HD LED display, and it's got B&O sound integrated. Just quickly on this, multi-core is designed to improve performance of certain software products. Not all customers or software applications will necessarily benefit from the use of this technology. Performance and clock frequency will vary depending on application workload and your hardware and software configurations. AMD's numbering is not a measurement of clock speed. Okay guys, so let's just, here you've got your laptop in there. So let's just quickly go through the box. I'll put that down there. Right, so you got your instruction pamphlet, says HP on it. Just a quick guide, troubleshooting and how to get it up and running. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so just chuck that to the side. You also have your warranty documents. Those are important. Okay, you must keep those. Chuck them to the side. Last but least, I'll just chuck this to the side. You've got your Kettle type 3-pin UK connector, so that goes into the actual power pack, which I'll show you in a second guys. You got your 3-pin UK plug. Okay, that's your standard 3-pin. That, I'll just unbox the power pack. That is your power pack. It's quite compact, which I'm quite happy with, because you know big ones can be really daunting. So there's your 3-pin. That will actually go into that, if you can see. Okay, so if I just pluck that to the side, let's get this off. Exciting times. Get this packaging off guys. And there you have it. Let's have a quick look. I don't know if you guys can see that. You've got your logo in the middle, which is brilliant. Now the coating on this guys is quite, it's a frosty coating, and it's quite, it's not a fingerprint magnet, you can touch it, so which I love. You've got your Chromebook logo there along with the Google logo. So it's Chromebook. You've got 4 legs at the bottom, just a bit of information at the top. Now on your side you have your USB type C. Yes guys, let me just double check that. Yes, USB type C, which I'm very happy about. You have your USB port to transfer files or whatever. You can listen to your media via the dongle. Okay, what else do we have? So to that side you've got your headphone jack. I don't know if you can see that, just zoomed in. You've got your micro SD, I presume. Let's have a look. Yep, micro SD slot, so you can have a memory card, which is awesome. You've got your dongle USB, and you've got your USB type C again. So one of these is your charging, so you've got in fact 2 for data transfer and one's for charging, which is awesome. Now let's get this open and let's see if there's any power in this. Okay, so confronting us is some kind of protective cotton material film which protects the keyboard from the screen and the screen from the keyboard. Let's chuck that to the side. Right, if I just lift this up a bit, you have your power button there. As yes, I was correct, you've got B and O. I don't know if you can see if that's zoomed in. You've got B and O sound, which is awesome, and you've got your power button there. We'll go over the keyboard in more depth, but the layout and the positioning of the mouse, the size of the mouse is brilliant. It's awesome, guys. I know it's not a big laptop, but it's brilliant. Your keyboard is situated nicely as well, but once again we'll go over that. So if I sit this down, presenting you with the lovely screen, let's power this up and see if there's any power in it. Otherwise, guys, I'll have to just put the connector in. Bear with me while I just put this adapter in and we get this booted up. It'll play around with this and see what we can do. And just get this out. Okay, let's get that back in there. While I set this up, guys, talk amongst yourselves. Right, welcome, guys. We are back. I've got it booted up, powered up. So we'll quickly go over the screen. I don't know if you guys can see. It says welcome. Let's go. So I'm clicking on let's go. Okay, let's see what we have to do here. So is it enter? Okay, United Kingdom, yep, UK, so enter. So we want United Kingdom, because that's where I'm based. Okay, and then, so we want to take it to OK. So I'm just using the mouse, guys, bear with me. Okay, so that's English, that's fine. No, we don't want that language. We want English. Bear with me, guys, I have to change the language. So we want... Okay. So it will be the top one, isn't it? Okay, bear with me, guys. So I'm just going to change the language again. I've got it on this funny language. English, Mauritius. So what English right at the top? English UK. Okay, no, I think I missed it. So we want English UK. English Belgium, Austria. Right, guys, bear with me. So I'm gonna go for this one, the US Virgin Island. Okay, brilliant. And then UK. So I do apologise, guys. I'm just gonna go up to OK. Click OK. Right, let's come out of this. Right, I'm having a slight problem here, guys. I do apologise. So we want English, the UK again. English UK. British Ocean. Right, okay. So we need to go back down to E. Like, looks like it. Sorry, guys. I know I keep apologising, but just bear with me, as sometimes these things can be daunting, as you can see. So you want English UK. I know where you are. US Virgin Islands, English UK, United States. Okay, so for now, guys, I'm choosing United States. Alright, so now I have to figure out how we're going to come out of this. Okay, choose your keyboard. It's asking me to do so. UK keyboard. Yep, that's fine. Okay, so let's go. Right guys, we're up and running. Right, there's just one thing I forgot to do guys, so talk amongst yourselves and I'll be right back. Welcome back guys, I'm back on online now. Sorry for that, I do apologise. I'm just going to quickly put my email address in, so I do apologise. I'm just going to get in front. I do apologise. Just going to put in my password guys, so bear with me, as it's linked to Google services. Right guys, I'm back. So we're just waiting up for it to load up. We'll have a quick look over it and then I'll let you guys go, and then we will, let's turn the brightness down a bit because I believe it's too bright. Is that better guys? Okay, right, so just bear with me, we'll have to just do the best we can. So let's accept and continue. It's you're signed in. Google Play apps and services will load, hopefully, I presume. So give it a couple of minutes. I hope you guys are all well, by the way, today. See here what it says here. Okay, more. So I'm just accepting. It's just installing the apps from me, from my other devices. And then we're good to go. You know, as I said, I like the design. It's rounded on the corners. As you can see, it's rounded. It's not that heavy to hold. It's not that thick, if you can see. You know, it's quite light. The coating on it's wonderful. It's got a good feel to it. As I said, you've got your logo there. Nothing too special, but for Google, you know, you got to get excited about their products. So let's wait for this to load up.
Sure. What would you like to search?
We're just waiting for it to load up, guys. Right. Welcoming you. I'm just going to put my personal password in. I do apologize once again. This should welcome with you now. We're hoping the home screen. So there you have it, guys. Let's close this window down. I'm going to leave that for now. So it presents you with your Google homepage, your search homepage, and then you've got your shortcut apps down there you recently used, and you've got your other battery power, your clock, and your other notifications down there. So it's just your usual setup, and I think, yeah, that's about it, guys. But you know, I'll test it out. I'll test the speed on it. I'll test the performance. Does it overheat? Is it good for students? Is it good for daily work? Is it good for office workers? Is it good for YouTubers, content creators? But I'm really excited about this because this is an added addition to my digital work life, and I'm hoping I will get a lot of use out of this. So that's it for now, guys, but stay tuned. As I said, we've got 3 videos upcoming now, which is the update on the Apple TV 4K, the update on the Roku soundbar, and the update on this HP Chromebook. That's it for now, guys. Peace out.